You think buying a bigger air conditioner will solve your hot room problem, but you are actually setting yourself up for a financial drain that will cost you thousands in the long run. Most homeowners make this mistake every single year. But today, we are going to look at the harsh truth about your windows and why your HVAC system is failing you. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are dissecting the myth of the bigger unit. Many homeowners believe that replacing a 3-ton unit with a 5-ton unit is an upgrade. In reality, it is a recipe for disaster. We are going to look at the physics of heat gain, the importance of AHRI-certified matches, and why your windows are likely the real culprit behind your high energy bills. Whether you are searching for an average cost to replace HVAC system, or trying to understand HVAC contractor price guide data, this video will save you from a major capital protection error. Before you call a contractor to install a massive unit, you need to understand the concept of short cycling. Imagine your car only had 2 speeds, 0 and 100 miles per hour. That is exactly what an oversized air conditioner does. When you install a unit that is too large for your home's square footage, it cools the air too quickly and shuts off before it has had the chance to pull the humidity out of your home. This is a critical technical failure. An HVAC system is designed to run for longer, steady cycles, to manage latent heat, the moisture in the air. If the unit cuts out early, your house remains humid, which makes you feel hot, even at 72 degrees. You end up constantly adjusting the thermostat, which leads to a massive financial drain. Furthermore, the constant on-off cycling puts immense stress on your compressor and start components, like the capacitor. If you are looking for HVAC capacitor replacement DIY tips, you will find that these parts burn out prematurely because of this exact scenario. A properly sized system, often a variable capacity inverter, runs at lower speeds for longer periods, maintaining a steady, comfortable temperature, while keeping humidity levels in check. By forcing a larger unit into a home that doesn't need it, you are effectively destroying your asset value through excessive wear and tear on the blower motor and the compressor. You are literally paying to break your own equipment faster. Now that we understand why bigger is a trap, we need to talk about the thermal holes in your home that are actually causing your cooling system to struggle in the first place. Most homeowners blame their AC unit when a room is too hot, but the real enemy is usually solar heat gain through inefficient windows. Before you spend money on a new unit, you must look at your window performance. Single-pane windows, or old, leaking frames, act like space heaters during the summer. They allow massive amounts of radiant heat to enter your living space. When you have a high solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC, on your windows, your AC is fighting a losing battle. You could install the most expensive 20+ SEER2 system on the market, but if your building envelope is leaking, you are just throwing money out of those windows. This is a classic case of double expense. You pay for the oversized unit, and you pay for the electricity to run it into the ground. When evaluating your home, look for leaks around the frames, and consider the U factor of the glass. If you are doing an HVAC repair guide for homeowners, you should start by checking your window seals. If you see light coming through the edges, you have a thermal breach. Fixing these leaks is often cheaper than replacing an entire HVAC system. We need to focus on capital protection by sealing the envelope before we upgrade the mechanicals. If you are searching for how to fix AC not blowing cold air, start with the envelope. If the air is cold coming out of the vent, but the room stays warm, it is not an AC issue. It is a thermal insulation issue. Stop blaming the machine for the house's inability to hold the temperature you are paying for. Now that we have addressed the envelope, let's look at the financial reality of these upgrades versus the cost of a full system replacement. Let's talk numbers. When you are looking at the average cost to replace HVAC system unit, you will see a wide range of estimates on sites like Angie, average cost HVAC repair 2026-2025, or Home Advisor cost to replace HVAC system unit. Generally, A residential HVAC installation cost per square foot 2026 can range anywhere from $7,500 to $15,000, depending on the efficiency rating and the complexity of the install. If you decide to go with a high-efficiency, variable speed system, you are looking at the higher end of that spectrum, but you are gaining long-term efficiency and comfort. However, if you simply upsize your unit without fixing your windows, you are throwing that investment away. Many homeowners ask about Home Depot HVAC replacement parts capacitor motor price as a way to save money, but these are band-aids. If your system is old and inefficient, those small repairs are just delaying the inevitable. You must consider the total cost of ownership. A cheap, oversized unit might have a lower initial price tag, but it will have a higher monthly operating cost and a shorter lifespan. Conversely, a correctly sized, high SCER2 unit might cost more upfront, but it pays for itself in energy savings over the next decade. If you are trying to find an HVAC contractor price guide, ensure they are providing you with a manual J-load calculation. If a contractor doesn't perform a load calculation and just tells you to go bigger, run away. They are not protecting your investment. They are looking for an easy sale that will cause you problems down the road. But even with the right system, how do you keep it running efficiently? Let's talk about the maintenance cycle that keeps your system from failing. The final piece of the puzzle is maintenance. Even the best installed system will fail if you don't follow a strict air conditioner maintenance, step-by-step, routine. We are talking about changing filters, cleaning the condensate drain line, and ensuring the evaporator coil is free of debris. If you are looking for furnace troubleshooting tips, or general HVAC maintenance, start with the filter. A dirty filter is the #1 cause of airflow restriction, which leads to frozen coils and compressor failure. When you have a system that is properly sized, and your windows are sealed, your system doesn't have to work as hard, which means it stays cleaner for longer. If you are interested in DIY mini split installation tutorial content, remember that those systems also require the same level of care. You need to protect your investment. If your AC is not blowing cold air, check the capacitor first. It is a cheap fix. But if the unit is short-cycling, check your thermostat settings and your insulation. Homeowners often overlook the simple things because they are too busy looking for a bigger solution. By focusing on the health of your existing system through regular maintenance, you extend the life of your equipment and avoid the massive financial drain of an emergency replacement. Remember, your HVAC system is an asset. Treat it like one, and it will keep your home comfortable for years to come. Don't fall for the bigger is better trap. Focus on the envelope, get the sizing right, and keep up with the maintenance. Now that you know the truth, you have to decide, will you fix the house, or just keep buying bigger machines? So, here is your scenario split. You can either continue to ignore your home's thermal envelope, and keep dumping money into oversized, inefficient AC units that break every few years. Or, you can take the time to seal your windows, perform a proper load calculation, and invest in a system that actually fits your home's needs. If you choose the first path, you are looking at a cycle of constant repairs and high utility bills. If you choose the second, you are choosing long-term comfort and significant financial savings. The choice is yours. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into your home systems.